Are you following the recipe? Grinding the cooked cocoyam.
Add oil, eh? Instead of apple, there's no apple here. Add oil.
Oil in evaporate. Originally imported from Ethiopia. Hey, it's too hot though. You didn't know? Ezenwa is burning the kitchen. Ezenwa did not want me to post this part, but the best chef burns food sometimes. So let's just pretend nothing happened. Adding water and the cocoyam. And salt before covering the pan. That's a very Igbo thing to do. You put the plastic bottle with the red oil on top of the hot pan, because then the whole entire remaining oil will melt down and you can easily pour it out. So nothing is wasted. Chief, don't waste foods. Yes, we value everything here. Especially this oil. It's very special taste.
So the remaining oil.
See how it is coming down now.
No oil wasted, you know?
And the bottle is finally empty. Meanwhile, Ziora is making sure her brother is okay.
Before Maggi, yeah? Maggi and
Maggi?
yes, Maggi.
Putu no pen. Next step. And add it to the water. Chocolate, my favorite. Is it butter the cooking?
Yeah, man. To work in the kitchen.
Where's my own? That one is for me.
Come.
Yes. Geneva.
Okay.
Yes, sorry. Try, yeah. Is it for you? Or is it for Brutus? Brutus never.
Yeah.
Bro.
I'm going to run the easy.
On a cheggy. Bro.
This is not for you.
Yay! See, he's wearing his tail. Yum yum. Papi's cooking something sweet. Abiano. He's lifting his leg up. It's like Papa Biko name sons of Let me maybe give him the bowl like this. Boom! Brutus! Arading kita. Siguro ya? And off he goes. You wash the stockfish.
No, wash it out.
Wash out the ote.
The ote? No, ote.
Are you sure?
You think so? I don't know.
There's always ote in Okporoko.
Okay.
You don't see ote, then you didn't wash it well. Have you?
Maybe your things are dead.
Even if it's dead, you have
Your things also the ingredient.
No, I don't agree.
The ingredient.
I disagree.
Also, even a move for now, photo.
Acho give me a.
Then I'm doing too.
See, you're washing his mouth. This fish, if it's alive, he will bite your finger. Fish Okporoko.
Oil on the pressure pot. Hot water. Wash the fish with hot water so that some more things will come out.
Abiano. So you admit it.
Some more things.
Okay, even umu, not just ofu.
I mean, you have to wash it out. My grandmother, hey, you don't do this. The mother of my dad, don't dare wash fish in her face. She will get angry. She's like, how come I'm angry? Such as the ingredients. 1,000. The whole thing, the flavor of the azu, you're washing it out.
But after you eat the soup, it will be sweet.
Ooh, my mom, my grandmom, wow. That's what they call a bagana. With small ingredients, she can just make a delicious soup.
You call it what?
Bagana. Well, that's what we call it in our dialect. You don't think so? You have to wait them over. But if you eat that soup, oh, so sweet. You know? Yeah. So, yeah. This is very thick. Add some meat. Here. Very fast.
Roasted crayfish and onion.
And take out the bitterness. You see how strong it is. It's bitter.
Why don't you just use a leaf that is not bitter? Than to take a bitter leaf and make it not to be bitter again.
So we call it it's a special leaf. It's a special spinach, you know? In Igbo land. Special vegetable. You have to wash it out because of time, you know. That is a lot, eh?
So, next step.
This is Okporoko. What I go? I will perfect. Season it, yeah. Time to add the inside sauce. Also,
most important one, Ogiri. Ogiri obe. With a special taste.